Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome back to online classes. Hope you are fine and happy. Did you enjoy holidays? Okay, your social study class. I am your teacher, social study teacher Miss Lubna, grade 2. Now today start the first lesson of second term is lesson number 9, food. Today we will start the reading and explanation of book page number 24 and 25. The name of this lesson is food. Students, you know Allah gave them different types of food. We eat different types of food like fruits, vegetables, grains, meat, etc. Yes, all living things need food to live and grow. Human bodies, like all living things, means human bodies, animals, and birds cannot live without food. We get our food in different ways. Here in this picture, different types of food. We get our food in different ways. Some food grown on the land. For this, we need good soil, lots of water, and seed. Without these things, not grow the plants or other things, not grow well. We get grains, fruits, vegetables from the plants. You can see in this picture different animals: buffalo, cow, hen, and some other foods like cheese, egg, ice cream, cake, milk, etc. So many things. We get food from animals also, like cow, buffaloes, and goats gives us milk and meat. Birds like chicken gives us eggs, and we also eat chicken, yummy chicken. Many kinds of food can be made from eggs and milk, like cake, ice cream, or cheese. We can make from the eggs and milk. Now here in this lesson we learn about the corn oil. Have you seen the corns? Your mother used the corn oil for the cooking. Corn is very helpful and healthy food for the human beings. So we can get the corn oil from the corns. Oil is used for cooking. In this lesson we will learn about how to grow corn and how corn oil is made. Different steps how to grow corn. First picture is, in this picture a farmer plows the land with the tractor. Do you know who is a farmer? A farmer works in a field. In next picture, farmer sown the corn in the field. And the third step is, after the sown the corn in the field, rain, the water helps the crop to grow well. In next picture, farmers sprayed the crop to kill the pest. For getting the healthy crop, the farmer used the spray to kill the pest. Last step of the corn crop is, when the crop is ready, the farmer harvested the crop and then taken to a factory. After harvesting the crop, the corn is taken to a factory and In the factory, the corn is crushed to take out the oil. It is put into tins, bottles, and bags and labeled, and different factories name labeled. These are taken to the shops where we buy them. So, student, everyone learn do the reading of these two pages, book page number 24, 25, and uh, again do the more practice of difficult words, underline the difficult words. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.